hydraulic drum dumper is what you need to dump drums that weigh up to 1,500 pounds. A drum dumper works with 55 and 30-gallon plastic, steel, and fiber drums. The unit has a solid steel chute. The standard features include a 56 frame, 3/4 horsepower motor, 115-volt single-phase, upper travel limit switch, emergency safety velocity fuse in cylinder, and vertical adjustment drum restraints are all standard. The hydraulic drum dumper is operated with a handheld control on a standard 8-foot long coil cord. The frame is powder-coated blue, while the chute is powder-coated yellow for added toughness. Models also available with a stainless steel chute. 2 models available, including a stationary and portable models. The all-steel construction portable units have 2 rigid and 2 swivel casters with floor lock screws and an ergonomic handle for transporting. Drum dumping made easy with a hydraulic drum dumper.